The Faroe Islands, located in the Atlantic Ocean, are a hidden gem of Denmark. With their dramatic mountain landscapes, green valleys, and enchanting waterfalls, these islands are truly a sight to behold. The unique combination of local culture and natural beauty makes them a must-visit destination. The Faroe Islands boast breathtaking scenery, where towering cliffs meet the restless ocean waves. The landscapes are dotted with charming villages that are a testament to the rich history and traditions of the Faroese people. You can immerse yourself in their vibrant culture, exploring their unique music, language, and cuisine. Nature lovers will find their paradise here, with countless opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and even sea kayaking. The islands are home to a diverse range of wildlife, including puffins, seals, and whales. Every corner of the Faroe Islands is a photographer's dream, with picturesque landscapes just waiting to be captured. The Faroe Islands' remoteness adds to their allure, providing a peaceful and tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The friendly and welcoming locals will make you feel right at home, offering a true sense of community. Whether you are seeking adventure or tranquility, the Faroe Islands have it all. With its unparalleled natural beauty and fascinating culture, it's no wonder that these islands are becoming an increasingly popular destination for travelers seeking an authentic and unforgettable experience.